You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You ready?
Judge, I don't think I got that cause.
I'll give it to you. 255-9272. You have the right to have an attorney present if you cannot.
Stand right here. Right from the start, tension is in the air. Mr. Perez is being formally charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon, facing up to a year in jail or a $4,000 fine. The judge begins by reading the Miranda rights, reminding him he has the right to remain silent and to have an attorney. Audience engagement question. If you were Mr. Perez hearing your rights for the first time, would you speak or remain silent?
Afford one. One will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
Judge. On April 9th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, law enforcement officer.
There's a small but curious interruption. A phone call seems to be involved. Even in a serious courtroom setting, life doesn't stop. The judge hands over a number, 255-9272. This little human moment shows that court is procedural, but also very real.
He was on patrol when he observed a vehicle with illegal windshield tint and the front windshield traveling down the road. Law enforcement officer conducted a traffic stop.
Did we not have this exact one? Was it like yesterday or the day before? Same thing, really?
I'm not sure about the illegal window.
It was tint, and then there was on that one there was something else. Okay, anyways, go ahead.
I'm sorry, the law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant who was identified by a section driver's license and observed it.
The story of the alleged crime begins. On April 9th in North County, Texas, an officer noticed a vehicle with an illegal front windshield tint. Here, the transcript shows some hesitation. The judge questions the officer. Did we not have this exact one yesterday? This uncertainty immediately raises a red flag. Was the stop truly justified? Audience engagement. Question. Do you think a traffic stop for windshield tint is enough reason to search someone's car?
Strong odor of marijuana emanated from the vehicle, and his person, law enforcement officer, immediately detained the defendant and asked the defendant if there was any marijuana in the vehicle. And the defendant admitted to having half a blunt and a pistol in his glove compartment in the vehicle. Law enforcement officer conducted a probable cause search, which resulted in the finding of a Glock firearm located in the glove compartment and .30 ounces of marijuana. Marijuana in the firearm. We're in the defendant's care custody control. And that's.
I find it conclusory as well.
The officer claims he saw marijuana and detained Mr. Perez, who admitted to having a blunt and a pistol in the glove compartment. They found a firearm and 30 ounces of marijuana. On paper, it looks incriminating, but the courtroom immediately challenges this. The judge calls the reasoning conclusory, basically saying, we can't just assume guilt from vague claims. Reaction. This is where legal procedure meets common sense. Not every observation gives probable cause.
What does illegal window tint mean? How is it illegal? Why? You know, it's completely conclusory. Is that the only reason for the stop?
That is the only reason I have to stop here.
Okay. Mr. Perez.
Yes, sir.
The judge presses on. What does illegal window tint even mean? How is it illegal? This is a moment of calling out contradictions and ambiguity. The judge emphasizes the alleged traffic violation was the only reason for the stop. This is a critical turning point.
I'm going to find that there's no probable cause to go forward in your case. When you have illegal substances in your car, you are rolling probable cause. Do you understand? Probably. Be careful out there. You get one life. You start racking up convictions. It's not.
The ruling comes. The judge finds no probable cause to move forward with the case. But there's a stern warning. When you have illegal substances in your car, you are rolling probable odds. Understand? Mr. Perez nods. Audience engagement question. Would you have walked away at this point or felt nervous knowing the substances were in your car?
We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You ready?
Judge, I don't think I got that cause number.
I'll give it to you. 255-9272. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
Judge,
The judge gives some life advice. Be careful out there. You get one life, you start racking up convictions, it's not going to go well. This adds a personal, emotional layer, not just a legal lecture.
Not going to go well for you. You understand? Take a seat for me, please.
Finally, the judge hands over the phone number again, 255-255-9272. A small procedural detail, but it humanizes the courtroom and reminds viewers that law and life intertwine in everyday interactions. Case: Mr. Perez was charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon and possession of marijuana. Court ruling: judge finds no probable cause for the case to move forward. Key legal point: observing illegal window tint alone isn't sufficient for a vehicle search. Probable cause must be clear and specific. Broader implications. This case highlights the importance of judicial oversight and how courts safeguard against vague or weak law enforcement claims. If you found this courtroom breakdown eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life legal cases. Comment below. Who do you think is in the wrong here, the officer or Mr. Perez? Let's hear your take.